Hitler didn't want to exterminate the Jews at the time. He wanted to expel the Jews.
Those who forget history are condemned to repeat it. The Jewish community has faced persecution over centuries through Romans, through Byzantine period, from the Muslim community, from the Christians.
In connection with the Jewish question, I have this to say. It is a shameful spectacle to see how the whole democratic world is oozing sympathy for the poor, tormented Jewish people.
So the other side, we have the Holocaust Museum.
And Khaja Amin al-Husseini went to Hitler and said, if you expel them, they'll all come here. So what should I do with them? He asked. He said, burn them.
That when the state of Israel was formed, the Jews decided that they need to document their persecution. World War II ended in 1945, and one of the worst crimes against humanity was carried out against the Jewish community. Over 1/3 of the Jewish community was systematically exterminated. The Jews decided that they want to document their persecution so that the coming generation does not forget what their forefathers faced. This is where they have documented. It was one of the worst genocides faced by the humanity. And every day they are crying, but one fine day the children stopped crying because the Germans had killed them. This is what happened to the Jews. The same person who is writing the diary stops in 1942 because that is when he was killed, right? The diary was then eventually found after the World War was over, and that is now preserved in the Holocaust Museum. The Holocaust Museum also has an avenue for the righteous. These are the non-Jewish men and women who saved the Jewish community from dying. These people gave refuge to the persecuted Jews in their homes, in their attics. They helped them escape the persecution. They refused to take part in the extermination camps. Not just that, they also provided critical health care to them. They took care of them, they provided emergency medicines to them. The Avenue of the Righteous hence also lauds the non-Jewish individuals who helped them in the time of need. When the world looked away at their suffering, these are the men and women who not only took them under their shelter, but they also made sure that they were safe and alive. It says here that the Jews should not know till the very last that they are going to die, that they should be deceived. Hence, when they were brought to the concentration camps, they were informed that since they would be tired from the long journey, they should take a bath and then proceed to have food, except the shower rooms were gas chambers, where they would breathe their last without knowing they were deceived. From the gas chambers, their bodies were brought and cremated right there at the concentration camps. This is why the Hindus should make sure that their stories of persecution are not forgotten. That when the NCERT, when the school syllabus is trying to show the barbarity of the Mughal invaders, the other invaders who invaded and plundered India, they forced Hindus to convert their religion. Their stories of persecution should not be forgotten so that the history is not repeated. The coming generation should not forget that the Ram Mandir was once demolished by a Mughal invader, and a masjid was built upon it. The barbarity of the Mughals should not be glorified.